Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do something about under eyes. You know, I'm kind of stuck on that theme. I am determined to find something that works for my 62-year-old under eyes. It's driving me crazy. But I have recently tried a few new different things, so I want to show you what I'm doing. But this little technique is just a little trick. And one of my girlfriends told me about it. And she said, Lisa says, well, you need to try this. This might work. So I'm gonna show you what I do now. And I do have a new concealer that I'm trying out, which I really do like. I've only had it for about 4 days, but so far, even here, we're getting the humidity here in Alabama, so, you know, it's working good through that. So, if you want to know how to get this look that I'm going to do, just keep watching. Now, I do love to put on eye pads in the morning, and that really does help my under eyes. These are actually from Ulta because I ran out of my Younique ones, and I just needed some, so I went and grabbed these. These are not quite as thick as the ones that Younique has, but they're really pretty good, and they're gold. They've got a gold it's got a little top to it. Now, I do keep it in the refrigerator. I guess my ones from Younique will come pretty soon, but they look very similar and work about the same. Really, they do. And I love both of them. I do like the Younique's is a little bit thicker, though. Just a tad, not a whole lot. But this here is also by Younique, and this right here is my eye cream. Now, I did put this on already today. And I am taking my Claritin 24-hour, like liquid peel or whatever. And my under eyes are looking better. And the 24-hour is the best for me. I can't do the 12. It just doesn't work. My half the day's over. I'm just so, my eyes, I can't do anything with them. So if you understand the allergy thing, you know what it's like. It's hard because your ears kind of close up and then your eyes water. But let's move on to this. I really think you're going to love it. I was in Belk this past week, and you know, I'm retired now, and so I was over there killing time because I had to go to my dentist. And so I go into Belk. And I did buy some shorts, and I bought a sweater that I can use for next fall. Like $7 for this sweater. It's so cute. But when I went over to pay, you know, I'm standing in line, and I'm looking at it. Well, wow, they've got nice makeup line in here. They did. So I talked to the girl when I got up to pay, and I asked her about the Estee Lauder Double Wear. So I bought it. It was very creamy. I liked the way it felt on my skin. I even put it right underneath my eyes. Really liked it. So right now what you're looking at is my eye cream. I did do the eye pads. And I did add this. Now we're going to add this. But there's one other thing we're going to do, which is really weird. But Lisa told me that I should try it. And so what we're going to do is use a bronzer. We're going to put a little bit of a bronzer, and then we're going to blend everything together. And let me just say, I was very skeptical about this, but come on with me so you can see how to do it. Okay, let's look at my under eyes, because I've done all the little skincare stuff for it. That looks really good. Yeah, that looks really good. I have a lot of lines right here. Do y'all have that? I'm going to a place now. I did my first IPL, and I go back May 7th, I think. But I'm really excited about seeing how this is going to turn out. It's like 8 different times I have to go to help get rid of the brown spots and stuff. This one's already lightened up, just in the one time I've been. So this is what we're going to use. Yeah, this is a bronzer. This is called Barely Bronzed. It is a Younique product, and it's a cream. You need to use a cream. I think I saw somebody try the powder. I don't think that worked out too well. But we're going to pair these two together. So the first thing we're going to do is look at where my darkness is. And I'm just going to take my finger. I would not swipe this on, okay? I would take my finger, if I were you, and place it where you have the most issue. The dark, okay? I know that looks weird. I thought so too. But you're not using a whole lot. It is a cream, and we are going to mix the concealer with it. So let's do this side too. I don't want this to be too long for y'all. Because see, my darkness is in two different places. Can you see that? It's here, and then it's here. I'm just all messed up. Yep. It's 62. Well, I guess I'm doing okay. It looks like I've got two black eyes, I know. Trust the process. Yes, trust the process. I tell myself that every day I get up. Trust the process. Okay, I do like to let that settle just a minute. All right, and then we are going to use this color. Let me see what color I got. I got 1N. 1N, it tells you right there. So I'm a neutral, and this is the lightest color in neutral for this product. I like the packaging of this too. Seems it says Stay in Place Concealer Corrector. So let's give it a shot, okay? It does have a pretty big doe foot applicator. I think that's kind of big. I like the fact that it's got a little curve in it. Now, if you want to be, you know, just pop it in there, you can. A lot of times what I like to do is I like to be able to control how much I use. So I'm going to put some there, and then right here, I'm going to put 2 dots. Over here, I'm going to put 2 dots. That way, it kind of pulls it up. And I think I'm going to take a minute little bit, and we're going to put it right there and right there, okay? I'm going to let it warm up to my skin just for a minute. And then we're going to use my fingers, or I may use my beauty blender. Just depends on how I think the consistency is when I go to do it. Okay, so I have my beauty blender here, and it's moist. I like them moist, I do. I think they blend better when they are moist, okay? So I'm just going to take my finger first, and we're just going to blend it out with that first. The fingers are warm, and it's just a little bit more pliable. And if you need to come back and add a little bit more, you can always come back and add. So start off minimal. Don't pile it on there. But I really like this concealer. Now, I don't expect for this to be perfect. I just expect for it to be better, okay? I'm 62. There is no perfect unless I went to the doctor and said, hey, make me perfect. Then I might get perfect. So I'm going to take this. Now, there's nothing on this. It's just moist. And I'm just going to kind of press down into it. And this will help remove anything I don't need. You can also use tissue paper if you wish. I do that sometimes. I do use it. I fold it and then just blot it. But this seems to work pretty well with this concealer. So far that looks really good. And now we're going to do this side. And I'm not pulling, I'm just dabbing. Like a cross. If I need to add a little more, then I will. But I really don't think I will need to. Because you're putting this over that bronzer. Remember now, it's a cream. So the two won't be competing against each other. And hopefully they won't be settling in any lines. So that's the key, isn't it? Yep. Let me see. Oh, that looks so good. Just every time I do it. Now I am going to come and do the same thing on this side. Just barely touching it all the way across. Now I'm going to let it set a few minutes. I'm going to come back and look at it, and I can already tell it's pretty much already dry. So I'm going to let it settle. I'm not going to do any smileys or anything like that. I'm just going to stay straight-faced and let it dry. Straight-faced and let it dry. And I'm trying not to laugh now. But it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better. That's all I'm after, just a little bit better. So let's give it a chance to kind of settle down, and then we're going to put some powder on it. Yes, we are going to use a little bit of powder. Okie dokie, I did my lips. So now I look a little bit more pink, right? And so what I'm going to do now, though, this is Dew Effect, and you've seen me use this before. I love to pair this with my eye cream. I pair these two together normally. But here lately, I just use this first, and then I wait until I put on what I'm going to ever put on under my eyes, my concealer, and then I will take a T90 bit of this. T90, okay? So this is what I like to do, is get it on my finger, and when I go ahead, I'm going to wait. I want to show you on one eye what I've been doing. I've been playing around with this stuff, and it's taken me forever to figure it out. But I'm going to take my Beauty Blender, which is moist, and this is the Tarte Pink Loose, I love it, powder. I do. And we're going to put it on here, like this. All right? And I'm going to kind of pop it in a little bit, because you don't want a whole lot. You don't need it. And just come through here and just kind of bounce it, push. You're not pushing really hard. You're just kind of placing down a little bit of that powder, because we didn't use a whole lot of powder, okay? And then the reason I have this on my finger is if I need to, when I go back and look at it, if there's anywhere that has any settling, like with some powder, this looks really good though. But I'm going to go ahead and show you just, tiny, tiny bit. You don't want much of this. All I do is barely kind of pop it through here. And if you want to do it on the other side, you can. That way, the Dew Effect plumps up your skin. And if there's any powder sitting there settling, it will absorb it. It's an amazing product too. And I do use it every day. I'm just finding different ways of using it. And so now I just put on this, I let it settle, and then I'm using this in a totally different way than I was. And I like it much better. Oh yeah, that looks really, really good. And it's gonna dry. Don't touch it. Now, if you need to, give it about 20 minutes and then come back and look at it, and it should be absorbed. There's nothing going to be shiny about it. So I'm going to wait my allotted time, and then we're going to look at the finished product. Okay, now I'm going to look at it because it's had some time to absorb, and I can look at it and tell that it's done a great job. And so if you want to brighten anymore, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you can do this, because the Dew Effect is there. And I would probably pop it like right here and right here, because that's basically where I need it to be a little bit brighter. So tap your fingers across it. Be really light with it, and you're going to have to play around with your eyes. It's so hard dealing with under eyes. But if I can do this and it makes it look a little bit better, then that's what I'm going to do. But my allergies right now are ridiculous. And all I do is sneeze and eyes water and that kind of thing right now. So I'm staying a little bit more puffy than I normally do. I'm sleeping good though. That's one good thing. I get my good sleep now. So even if sugar does kick me half the time in the bed. But, She's a pity. She has to be, they're like Velcro dogs. They have to be like touching you all the time. Oh, and I do want to show you this one product that I got. This right here I bought other day in Ulta. And this is a new product. I don't know if I kept the box. Yeah, I think, here it is. Yes, I did. It's by Urban Decay. And it's called 24/7 Glaze On Shadow. It's an eyeshadow. So that's what you see on my lids. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. They had like 6 different shades. But this one, oh, this is what you've got to do. You have to shake it up. This is an eyeshadow. Yes, but I'm going to put a little bit right here because it was so pretty on my eyes. I thought maybe it would be pretty on my lips as well. Coolest packaging though. Look at that. And all you do is dot it right here in the center and just kind of blend. And it dries. And you're going to have a nice sparkly lip. Wow, that is so pretty. I love it. I guess you could use it for some highlight too if you wanted to, like highlighting there. That would be really pretty. I just love it on my eyes. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful color. And you do have to put it on like first and let it dry. And then come back and add everything else. Okay, girlfriends, what do you think? I love this. This is perfect for me. It's been working perfect for me. I'm in the middle. Well, it's almost May here. So, wow. Y'all got to try it. Just get what you got. Play around with what you got. But I'm just telling you, these products together are awesomest. I will link everything below. And please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. And I'll try to put some other things here that you can go, like a playlist or something, and look at some of the other things that I have going on here on this channel. I love it when you come and hang out with me, but I'm here on Sundays only. So make sure you come back on Sundays and check out something new because I'm into the brow game now. This is a new product on my brows. Love it. It's a drugstore brand. And so next week, we're going to be done. I really want to get into the brows because brows are important. They frame your face and they're so hard to do when they're really sparse. And I get you. Mine are sparse. So, all right. Have a fabulous week and I'll see you next Sunday.